Hey, welcome back guys to YouTube channel Dynamic Modeling of the series. Today we are going to use noise modifier and see how the terrain works. So for that what you need to do is make a plane. As you can see we have already made a plane, and then you can also edit the length from over here. Uh, yeah, and also put the segments over here. But the segments aren't showing over here, so what you can go to the default and edge faces that, yeah, now you can see the edges segments. So for that, next what you need to do is go to the modifier list and go to the noise command, and from over here what you can do is like 500, and after that what you need to do is you can change the z value. As you can see we have already put the z value and the terrain is already on the shape for now. And even if you don't want to do this kind of stuff, you can do the fractal on, and then you can have already the segments is already up over. And after that you can change also the roughnesses like 2. Oh, it's really big, like, so yeah, this is how you can change the terrain. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you can learn it, and please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.